Tourist over here because I think it's kind of changed a lot. So you need to be able to see the changes, how it's becoming better, like how they're innovating, they're restoring the old wonder of Manila.
Sir, invite niyo yung mga friends niyo na sa ibang bansa ngayon, papuntahin mo dito sa Pilipinas.
So some of friends go from every corner of the world. I think it's
Follow him on Instagram.
too many to mention.
Yes.
Yeah, but I think when you have the chance to go to Manila, make sure you come to this place, not just in Tamor, but just over here, and you know, see these new developments. I think they're for the better. Hopefully we get to be able to maintain them and restore, like I've said, restore Manila to its old glory.
Okay. Sir, ito po yung project ni President Bongbong Marcos. Ito po, ano po masasabi niyo dito po?
Well, I have to see the whole thing before I would, you know, I can't make a conclusion. But I think it's doing very well in this regard. I think for the longest time, neglect natin yung Manila. And then there's so much beauty. We just managed to maintain the cleanliness, bug infrastructure. It's gonna be a new horizontal space for the locals as well, where they can go, jog, hang out with their friends, as well as tourists from all parts of Manila and the Philippines.
Okay. Sir, ako dagdag kaalaman lang sir, itong esplanade na to ay hanggang Laguna po ito. 25 kilometers po ito.
Oh, that's cool.
25 kilometers from Port Santiago to Laguna de Bay.
So mga ilang years yan?
Estimated sir, 2030.
2030. So we have
Yeah.
6 more years to go. Yeah, hopefully
yes.
it would come to fruition.
Yes. Bike lane or jogging lane?
Walking lane.
Walking lane.
Bike lane and walking lane.
How about cleanliness sir sa ating Ilog Pasig?
Ano ba?
Sa Ilog Pasig natin yung nagtatapon po ng basura. Ano po ang panawagan po natin sa mga nagtatapon ng basura dyan?
Ano daw panawagan nila?
Kayo ma.
Huwag magtapon.
Huwag magtapon. Please save our planet.
Huwag
Ayun,
damak.
Save our
Stop
planet.
using plastic.
Ilog po.
Stop using plastic. Make sure that you don't throw anything in the river, because whatever you throw in there eventually comes back. When it comes to pollution, pagbaha. And we have to keep cleanliness para ma-enjoy natin. Hindi lang tayo.
Sir, balikbayan po kayo?
Kasi magaling ka mag-English sir eh.
Grabe naman yan.
Siguro sir, isa ka siguro sa hidno or isa ka sa mga valedictorian ng tayo mag-aaral.
Okay.
English speaking sir eh.
Oh,
At saka ano,
Hindi, ito isa na din.
sila din. Ano nga tayo?
Saan ba kayo galing sir?
So today, nag-food trip kami sa Binondo.
Oh wow, okay.
Sana masabi.
My friends have been living here for quite some time. Pero first time, di ba?
First time.
First time.
So,
hindi naman. First time maglakad. Ay, mag-food trip.
Okay.
Sana
Sana po, ayaw po na kayo ay nag-enjoy po dito sa Pilipinas.
thank
Okay.
you, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sa inyo.
Kaya ano, alamin natin siya po iaakit na po dito guys. Meron pong taga Malacanang po dito ay nag-inspection at kasama po si Engineer Ray at si Engineer Jojo nandito po, no? In-inspection po ang kaninyang project. Isa rin na sa pinakamagandang lugar ngayon mga kaibigan. Ayan po, tama-tama po natapos po ang kanilang project, no? In-inspection po. Ayan po, no? Bukas abangan po natin yung paglalagay ng mga poste.
Bukas daw guys, alam nyo na daw ng mga, ano po, lamppost.
Lamppost, oo. Ayan guys, umikot na po ang kanilang isang official dito mga kaibigan. Ayan, alamin po natin anong pangalan nung sekretary na yan na umikot dito, no? Isa sa kasama po siguro ni Architect Aksar mga kaibigan.
Dumating ako dito boss, nasa ano na eh. Mag-alas 5 na rin ako dumating dito kanina. Alas 4.
Ganun.
So bukas daw si Papagin, mga 2 o'clock nandito na yan sa bus eh.
At yung plant box mga kaibigan, ayusin na po nila yung plant box.
Gusto ko pumunta doon boss eh. Sa Diwata Paris sa may SITP, sa may bus niya.
Ayan po yung plant box, tinitingnan po ng ating officer, no? Ang ating secretary. Ay yung triangle dyan, yan po ang ilalagay dyan, mga halaman po.
Ano Papa de?
Oo.